Ashirazi. Wakati kwa Malaba. I tell you what to do. We said the 24th of man. Abiri Munya 24th August, Uganda. Skype is to us and trouble. Let him know. Abiri Munya, Uganda, you ready? 24th of the 6th of Malaba.